Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Adventure Awaits kit. Let the adventure begin with this fun kit featuring classic cars and fun scenes. A variety of printed sentiments are included in English, German, and French, making it perfect for any journey life takes. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. I plan to have these cards on hand for the everyday moments or for times when friends come to mind. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!